In 1969, the world held its breath. The Cold War had sparked a fierce space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. The mission was clear: land a man on the moon first. NASA selected 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, to make history. On July 16th, the colossal Saturn V rocket launched, carrying humanity's hopes beyond Earth. For 3 days, the crew journeyed through the vast darkness of space, every moment filled with risk. Then came the most critical moment: the lunar module's descent. Fuel was scarce, alarms blared, and tensions soared. Then the words echoed across the world: "The Eagle has landed." Armstrong stepped onto the moon's surface, uttering the iconic words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The mission changed everything, but even now some still wonder, was it real or the greatest mystery ever told?